Hello everyone, this is my review of the UREVO Folding Treadmill for the home. This treadmill is great if you have limited space. You can have it in your bedroom. You can fold it down and be able to stick it underneath your bed or in a closet or in the corner. It's a fully functioning treadmill with a motor, a powered motor, and LCD screen. They have the power button down here for it, so you can turn it off so you don't accidentally turn it on or kids actually turn it on if you leave it plugged in. Let me go around here so you can see the LED screen and see the settings. You have an emergency stop on it as well. You just hook that up to your clothing or your arm, so in case you go too far back, it can stop him in an emergency. I like how small and lightweight this treadmill is, so you can move it around with ease. Right now I have it down in the garage area since it's like colder down here, so I work up a sweat. It's not too hot, but you can move it around your house and stick it in the corner and it's out the way. I hope this review helps.